Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which Indian state is famous for the dish dhokla? Answer A. Gujarat. Question: biryani is a popular rice dish originating from which region of India? Answer A. Hyderabad. Question: what is the primary ingredient in the South Indian dish idli? Answer B. rice and urad dal. Question: Rogan Josh is a traditional meat curry from which Indian state? Answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question: which region is famous for the sweet sandesh? Answer A. West Bengal. Question: sarson ka saag is a popular dish made from mustard greens, traditionally eaten in which Indian state? Answer A. Punjab. Question: the dish pakla bhata, fermented rice, is a traditional food of which state? Answer A. Odisha. Question: which Indian state is known for the cuisine featuring appam and stew? Answer A. Kerala. Question: the litti chokha dish is a traditional cuisine of which Indian state? Answer A. Bihar. Question: misal pav is a spicy snack popular in which Indian state? Answer A. Maharashtra. Question: which region is credited with originating the dish dal bati churma? Answer A. Rajasthan. Question: Pongal is a traditional dish made during harvest festivals in which state? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Question: the famous thukpa noodle soup is a traditional dish from which Indian region? Answer A. Arunachal Pradesh. Question: bebinka is a layered dessert specialty of which Indian state? Answer A. Goa. Question: which spice blend is essential to the cuisine of Kerala? Answer C. curry leaves and coconut. Question: the dish Cheena Podar is a baked cheese dessert from which state? Answer A. Odisha. Question: what is the main ingredient in the Assamese dish khair? Answer B. dried banana peel. Question: which Indian state is known for the dish pesarattu, a type of green gram dosa? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Question: kalari is a traditional cheese from which Indian region? Answer A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question: khichdi is often associated with which Indian festival or occasion? Answer A. Makar Sankranti. Question: which region is known for the sweet modak, especially during Ganesh Chaturthi? Answer A. Maharashtra. Question: the dish chaat is most famously associated with which Indian city? Answer A. Delhi. Question: Patra is a traditional snack from which Indian state? Answer A. Gujarat. Question. Kadhi is a yogurt-based curry popular in many Indian states. Which state is famous for its version made with gram flour and pakoras? Answer A. Punjab. Question. The cuisine of which Indian state prominently features bamboo shoot dishes? Answer A. Nagaland. Question. Which Indian state is known for the dish Puran Poli? Answer A. Maharashtra. Question. Bhutte ka case is a popular street food from which Indian state? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Question. The traditional thali with rice, dal, vegetables and roti is a common meal in which Indian region? Answer A. Central India. Question. Which Indian state is famous for the dish kalmi kebab? Answer A. Punjab. Question. Chhattisgarh cuisine is known for which traditional rice dish? Answer A. Bafori.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.